Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Thank you so much for joining me today as I share with you the shopping bag die from Scrapdiva Designs. This is Erica's website if you care to visit it and do a little shopping. And this is her other social media accounts if you care to go visit her. I'm going to share with you the die that I used for this project. I did use a couple dies. I used, of course, this is the one that I'm featuring. It's called the shopping bag die. This is super great for Christmas presents, birthday presents, Valentine's. This can be used anytime for anything that you want to do. Thank you gifts even. And it comes with the bag die, and then you get this for the tags. This can be a holder for your ribbon for a tie, and I'll show you how I used it. And this is for the sides of the bag to put together. I will have a tutorial for this on my channel to show you how I put mine together after this video. I also used the Christmas die and stamp set. Of course, I only used the stamp because I used the tags that come with the shopping bag, and I used this one right here. So I will have links in my description box below to both of those dies. Please use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order at scrapdivadesigns.com. So let me go ahead and share with you my little shopping bags, and I think they turned out so super cute. Now, if you follow me for a long time, you know I'm a bear lover. I have collected bears for some time. I have a lot of bears in my home, and I want to share this one with you. I think this little shopping bag is adorable. So I just have some of these dies, little characters in my stash. You can use ephemera if you want to, or you could use dies from your stash to make the little focal points. I do have a tutorial for these poinsettias that I shared with you earlier this year, and all I did was pop this up on a die in the background and put my little focal point. And this is the little tag that comes in the die set, and I stamped it with Merry Christmas from the Christmas stamp and die set. And this is how I made my closure with the dies that come in the shopping bag set. And I think it's so cute. It's really fun. So that's that one. And I have 3 bears in this in this share. This is one of my favorite bears, Christmas bears. I always use him every year because I love him, and he's got a little bird with him and a little snowman. You could see this is that blue paper again. I know when I have all my Happy Mail together before I send it out, and once I get it filled with the little goodies, I will share this blue paper set one more time with you. It is just growing on me. I love these blue poinsettia, and I'm deciding to use up the whole pad, so I'm having fun doing that. And as you can see here, I did mine with regular 65-pound cardstock, and then I put designer paper on top. And like I said, I am going to have a tutorial after this video that will show you how to do this. All right, and then we have this little bear. And the reason I used like this coffee cup right here is thinking that I was going to give this as a gift to someone by putting little Keurig or whatever coffee pods in here to give out. And so when you're thinking about what you're going to put in here, you might want to check through your die stash and see what you have that could complement the gift that you're going to put inside your little shopping bag. And he's super cute. I'll turn it over so you can see. This is that new paper from, Michael's. Yeah, Michael's. And it's called Just Say Freeze. It's the one I get every year from that Michael's in that paper collection. They've had it for several years. It's called Just Say Freeze. Here I have a little reindeer, and you could see the frosted, snow-tipped poinsettia on here. It says Merry Christmas, and then it's blank on the back, so you could put to and from too as well, so makes it kind of cute. And the last one I'm going to share with you is this little snowman. He's got a big old carrot nose, and of course, you know I need to make a pink one all the time. I love pink because that's what my Christmas decorations are mostly pink. We have a pink Christmas here. Isn't that pretty? This is also a Michael's paper from maybe the year or the year before. It's called, I think this one's called either Silent Night or Sugar Plum. I have 2 or 3 pads of that, so that is my share for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, I will have a tutorial on how I created these for you after this video. It's in a separate video. I'm going to try to have more tutorials for you and show you how to do more of these dies to help you. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.